Hi Chestnuts, this is just a quick recap of the live lesson that we just had together. I just wanted to do this so you could refer back to it to help you create your learning journey page today. So remember, we were explaining what you think and what you know. We were unpicking the learning journey question and exploring the front cover of our new book. So our learning journey question is, how can I use descriptive language to express myself? And what we did today, we'll look at those key bits of vocabulary in the question. So we're looking at descriptive language and what it means to express myself. Remember that we discussed that descriptive language describes what something is like, and it uses adjectives, adverbs, expanded noun phrases and similes. And when you express yourself, it's a way of saying or showing someone's feelings or thoughts. So for the first part, you were going to create your learning journey page all based around our question. And then you're going to be placing somewhere on your page a description of what our outcome is, which is to create a descriptive piece of work, of writing about the place between. So what we did then is we did a bit of book talk and we looked at the front cover of our book. We uncovered the fact that it was called Leon and the Place Between and had a discussion around what we could find and understand and maybe predict based on the front cover. So what you're going to do in your books is you're going to answer some of the questions based on the front cover of our new book. Remember, we looked at these different questions of what do you think the book will be about? What things can you see on the front cover? What sort of story will it be? Who might enjoy it? And what might the place between be? This is a little different to the reflection that you did yesterday because we have learned a little bit more based on the front cover. We've got a name and we discussed where that place between might be. I then showed you an example page that I've done to give you some inspiration about how you might lay yours out. Now, if you're doing it on the computer at home, yours might look a little bit different, but that's absolutely fine. So on the left-hand side here, I've written our question using one of our banners, and then I've underlined and used a different colour to write those two definitions. And then underneath, I've done my final outcome. Now, you won't be able to see, but what I did first was get a ruler and draw really faint lines so that I knew that I could write nice and neatly. And then I rubbed those out so it looks like they're not there. Then on my right-hand side, I did my book talk and I chose to do different bubbles for each of the questions. So I thought that the book could be about magic. I said that I could see doves, a rabbit, and I thought this man was a magician. I said the story will be about an enchanting magician casting a spell. I think anyone could enjoy this book, and I think the place between is what you imagine when seeing a trick. So you're going to have a go at doing your version, okay? All your things here might be completely different to mine, and that's absolutely fine. So I really look forward to seeing how you uncover the secrets of the front cover of Leon and the Place Between. Bye, Chestnuts.